always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey, what's good, family? We back with what seems to be a reaction, but realistically is not. Well, technically it might be. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the Palace range, which is officially out. We do have every item that's gonna release for this season, and I do want to go ahead and just take a quick glance at what it's gonna look like. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what to react to next. One of you guys on my last video actually recommended this video idea, so I am gonna go ahead and do it for you guys. If you do end up enjoying this one, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also click the post notification bells so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we already have the Palace website pulled up. I'm probably in my little corner right now. Boom, we in the little corner. Open up the spring range, and this is basically the way that Palace does their whole shit. I might not talk about every individual item, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see what pieces I like the most. I'm gonna open those up, and that's what we'll talk about. I'm not gonna cover every single piece because literally I would be here for a while. I'm actually gonna start with these jackets all the way at the top. This Palace P jacket doesn't look that bad. It almost has like an asymmetric pocket on the chest, which is pretty clean. Then you got the Palace Gore-Tex logos on the side. I don't know how I feel about this color in specific, but there are some other colors which I do think are cool. That camo and the gray are actually fire. There's also a black, but I probably would steer away from that one. We do have some more pieces right here. The Palace Cooper one is crazy to me. I'm good on this one right here. Apparently that's like a homage to somebody that I don't really know and I'm not gonna look up. We got this jacket right here, which is pretty much the shell jacket. That's like a really good material from what I've heard, with the little mask on the front. Fire jacket, and I feel like it would be even sicker if you could detach the mask, but I'm pretty sure that you can't. The colors for this isn't that bad. The olive is fire. The black is actually hard, but I probably wouldn't even buy that shit. I'm not even gonna lie. The Palace Ace jacket is probably one of my favorites. This jacket gives me stony vibes on it. I do love that branding on the cargo pocket. It even does have a cargo pocket on the back, which is clean. The colors on this is fire. You got that emerald green, then you got that tan color, which is also clean. I'm honestly gonna skip through some of these. This archaeology piece is actually fire. The knit sweater, I'm probably just gonna open some and then go through them. This fish shit is ass. The cable knit piece isn't that bad. We got a lot of pants actually. I wonder if this is the whole thing. I don't know exactly how Palace works, but from what it seems, it's not even that many items. You do got this piece right here which has the Don P bottle. Then it got the girl which is lit as fuck on the pants. This is actually not that bad. It's a baggy pair of pants though, so hey, keep that in mind. Yo, it sounds like the world is ending in the background. I apologize. My washing machine is on right now and I wasn't trying to turn it off, so hey, my bizzle. Hopefully the music under my voice right now covers that. But this archaeology knit sweater is actually not bad. Once again, I did talk about this in the little preview we had before. This is kind of a banger, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's kind of hard, but there's not even that many items if I'm being honest. You got like the bomber jacket, which we did talk about last time as well. I want to see what's on the front. It just says literally Palace on the front. This is like a Las Vegas, somebody who's chauffeuring your car type shit right here. Like, I'm good on this piece. That yellow is just bad to me personally. The brown is the best color, but I am gonna go ahead and sleep on that. You got the Palisonic shit. You got the zip off cargos. What does this mean? Oh, these bitches turn into shorts. That's hard. These are actually fire. I love the way that that pocket is on the front right there. That's fire. I love the Palace branding on it as well, and I like the fact that if you have the long pants you have a tri-ferg, but if you take it off you have the subtle branding on the shorts. That's actually hard. I feel like even probably some of the other colorways like that gray is fire too. The Palisonic shirt is honestly something I wouldn't even like. It's up here, so I do want to go ahead and talk about it. It is not my tea, bro. It's not. This shit is ass. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. It looked better before. Now it's just ass. We got the rugger bugger, which is like a rugby piece. This is actually kind of clean. I do like this a lot. You got that Palace logo on the front. That's actually a really nice way to implement the branding. You also do have like these green sleeves, which are honestly the only thing throwing me off. If they would have been olive, that would have been hard. That infinity logo on the back is fire. Low-key, I want to screenshot that. But we do have some more pockets. The slant zip shell pants. These are like some, I don't know what these are. These are like some running pants from what it looks like. I could go without those. I'm not gonna lie. That's whatever to me. This jacket is a banger. This sweater is a banger. Yo, the hoodies are fire. Hold up. The hoodies are where it's at for me, bro. These cargo pants are fire. We got a little cluster of heat right here. This jacket is a banger off the rip. It reminds me of like Starter back in the 90s. I used to love going thrifting, and this is some of the type of shit that I would probably end up picking up from the thrift store. All these colorways are hard besides that green. What happened to the red, navy and red color that we had? I guess it's just this one. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about that navy and orange color. I really wish it was red, but it's not. This sweater is fire, bro. Every color on this shit is hard. That gray one with the black is fire. That original color that we saw, the blue with the peach, is a banger. And then the light grays are subtle. I feel like this is the one that I wouldn't get, but it's beautiful too. That placement of the tri-ferg on the sleeve is everything to me. I'm not gonna lie. This is the don't be greasy, keep it fleecy piece, low key. This is fire, bro. This is actually hard. Yo, they be killing it. They really do be killing it, bro. This is like the Internet Explorer. I don't know what all of these are, but I'm pretty sure that it's a lot of different brands. You got the Lego L, E for the Internet Explorer, then the A, I forgot what that's for, low key. Why am I tripping? I feel like I've seen that before. But all of these colors are fire, bro. I need this too. Low key, Palace is looking like a banger. I hope Supreme don't sleep, because I might be buying Palace. This hoodie is fire too, son. Every color so far. That brown is fire. I would wear that with my Trav ones. This, what is it, like a pink or a red? I don't know. It looked like a red in the pictures from before, but it looks like a pink here. That black with the green is alright too. I feel like I'd probably pick this up, but the other sweater is way better. These like cargo joggers are fire too. I love the intense amount of pockets on these bitches. I knew it, bro. In the last video I did about these pants, I said that if there was a navy blue color, I would pick that shit up, bro. And that's exactly what they did. This navy blue color is a banger. Definitely need those. Even the olive colorway is fire. The black is alright. It's just like whatever, because it's always like black pants, but that navy color is fire. Even the hoodie, ooh, that navy hoodie is fire, bro. That's some heat. It even got like pockets on the hood. Stop playing with them. That's hard. That's hard body. You got like some simple logo stuff. I'm not gonna really go over everything. We got some Crewnecks, but typically I do stay away from the Crewnecks. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna just open a couple of these in case you guys like it. Basically, a hoodie is probably the small ass branding on it. You got the recycle piece. This mix-up hoodie is basically like a bunch of different tri-fergs that they've done in the past mixed up in one piece. I could go without this. Low-key, the tri-ferg isn't my favorite shit that Palace does. They do so much more. Like, if you guys have seen in this video so far, there's so much more than just the tri-ferg, and that's what I love about Palace. This bossy crew is not for me, low-key. It's like the cut-off crew neck that Supreme dropped. You got the palazzo crew neck, which is another cheeks piece. Like, I'm good on that one too. Honestly, crew necks just aren't for me. Like, it has to be some fire shit for me to pick it up. Oh, the tees, bro. The tees be where it's at too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna open some of these tees right here. You got the Born to Bun tee. The fly, I knew it was flies, bro. I knew it. You got the basically a tri-ferg. I'm gonna open some of these hats, but first let's talk about the tees. This is fire. This is the starter t-shirt right here, pretty much. It says Palace with a little starter star on it, then a P instead of a S. This is fire. Definitely a piece that I could see myself picking up. The Infinity tee is another banger to me. The reason why I mainly like this shirt is because if you guys don't know, before Astro Nori, I had another channel which was called Infinite TV, which actually got closed down. I feel like this is kind of like a little resemblance to that. I probably would end up going for this shirt right here, even in that black with the purple for the court purple Jordan 1s. Fire. But let's go ahead and go to the next piece. This one says Born to Bun tee. This is something that I'd probably skip on. This isn't my cup of tea. It's whatever, to be honest. This Palace Sonic shirt isn't that bad. I wonder if this is like a jersey or if it's an actual shirt. We got the basically a tri-ferg. This is basically a tri-ferg, literally. It looks like a 3D print almost, which is not, but that's kind of what it looks like. This is whatever, bro. Like I said before, I would pick this up, but I feel like Palace does so much more than just tri-fergs. But normally, if you're gonna go for resale, that's one of the items that will more than likely go up in value, the tri-fergs. But I feel like they have been milking it, so I don't know anymore. This If You Build It t-shirt is whatever, low-key. Shit is kind of ass. We got some hats over here. I'm gonna go ahead and open some of the ones that stand out to me, and we'll go from there, to be honest. This This rugger bugger joint is not that bad. But right here we do have, this looks like a wool material. This is actually fire. I still have yet to pick up a Palace P hat. This is clean though. Definitely would go for this. I don't know what color, but it is gonna come out in like 3 to 4 colorways. Then we got like this cargo pocket looking ass on the front. This looked way better on the dude yesterday. This is actually hard. I don't know how I feel about the plaid on it, but the branding all across it is actually pretty clean. I do like that black colorway. Okay, this one without the plaid is actually fire. The plaid one is cheeks though. We got another 6 panel with the P on it. This is probably the one that I would end up going for out of both. This is more like a dad hat type of feel. I feel like that navy one, even the yellow one, is kind of fire low key. Knowing my ass, I'll probably pick up the black one and keep it stroking. This is like the ripstop one, which low key I would sleep on. A bunch of camo going on, orange. That's pretty much it for the hats. We're gonna go ahead and get into the beanies. Low key, 2 of these beanies are fire. The other ones are looking kind of ass. We got some Palace Stan Smiths coming out. I'm gonna open those. Then we got like accessories, which I will get into as well. Is this a rug or a slip mats? We'll talk about that in a little bit. We got this cargo pocket hat, which is the hat that I saw that was a banger. Everything with this cargo pocket and the navy, bangers, bro. The pants, the jacket, and the hat are fire. And the hoodie too, bro. I feel like this is one of the pieces that I'll definitely try to get. I do like that one a lot. We also have this lightning speed beanie right here. Every colorway on this is solid. The brown is actually not that bad. Low-key, the only one I don't like is the black colorway. But right here we do have the Palace Stan Smiths. This almost reminded me of like a BBC ice cream collab. It's not that bad. Nah, actually these shits are ass. Why that like tan color on the front, that cream color, kills it for me. Like, I don't know what it does, what it do, but like them shits is ass, bro. That's like a skater pair of sneakers, you feel me? But we do got the mini waist bag, we got the slingshot bag, we got the tote bag, we got the book bag, and what the hell is this? We got a silver spoon, we got an ashtray. I typically go over all the accessories for everything always. I'm not gonna go over the pins because honestly, who cares about that? We got some skate decks too. Let's go ahead and go through this, then we're straight up out the building. The waist bag isn't that bad. It reminds me of some Supreme shit. Some features on it actually do glow with the 3M. This isn't that bad. It's just whatever. Like low-key, I've been off bags lately. This is alright though. Nothing too special for me. The sling bag isn't that bad. Once again, this one does have the Trifer dead and center on the front. It looks like a patch too. But low-key, what could you fit in here? Like I could probably barely fit my phone in that shit and I'm good. Like the tote bag actually isn't that bad. I feel like I've said that about all the bags, but this one doesn't look that bad. I feel like this is something that I would actually wear or use, I guess, in a way. Not that bad. Close that shit. We got the book bag, which low-key this should look like an avocado shape, or avocado shape I should say. This one does have a little bit of 3M on it. It's whatever, bro. This is, it's just whatever. Ooh, this spoon is not that bad. Why am I saying a spoon is not that bad? It's over, bro. It's over. The ashtray is alright. I'm not really gonna look at it too much. This is just, it's an ashtray, bro. What can I say? Now the mug is actually clean, bro. If I'm about to get my spot, hopefully I'm projecting it into the earth, and this is something that I would just want to have to drink some tea out of, bro. Like just give me some tea in that shit and I'm good. We do have the slip mats for your cups so you don't dirty my table. Low-key is not that bad. I do have some FTP ones, but this isn't that bad as well. It does have like little P's in it if you can kind of see it. Now that does it for the accessories. The last thing we have is Palace skate deck. I don't know if it's more than one different one or some shit. Yes, it is. It's different skate decks that are gonna be coming out. It's whatever, bro. I feel like every skater on the Palace team got their own skate deck. That's what it seems to me. The Palazzo one is actually not that bad. It's kind of artsy in a way. The Infinity one isn't that bad as well, but honestly I wouldn't pick any of the, ooh, this is not that bad. It's not that bad. The Saturn one isn't that bad, and that's it, bro. Low key, I feel like that's pretty much it. You got the air freshener too for your car. That's actually hard too. That's it, bro. Let me know what y'all thought about the Palace range, I think they call it. This is the preview, the lookbook, all that kind of shit where you basically see all the items. That's what this is right here. Let me know if there's any items that I didn't speak about that you thought were pretty cool. I feel like this isn't that bad, bro. Honestly, some of the hoodies are probably my favorite shit. The hoodies, the jackets, the beanies, the tees. There's a lot of shit in here that's actually fire. I wonder how many weeks Palace is. I'm not really too well-rounded when it comes to Palace, but I do think think that they do have some heat, and whenever some of these drops do happen, I probably will do a live cop for them, because there's a lot of bangers in here that I probably do want for the personal collection. Definitely 2 to 3 of those hoodies. The cargo pocket pants, bangers, definitely need those. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and wouldn't enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, comment post notification gang, or give me a video idea for the next video and you will get shouted out in the beginning of the video, just like I did with homie at the beginning of this one. I am gonna be filming my t-shirt collection for Supreme. It's gonna be a pretty long video. I am expecting it to be a pretty long video, so I do hope that you guys stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to drop it on week 1 of Supreme. I don't really want to rush the edits on it. I just want to make sure it's a good video and that it gets the right amount of exposure. But all that aside, if you have any video ideas that you would like me to make, leave it in the comments below and I will get to that. Get this video to 80 likes and I will get another video out to you guys tomorrow. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.